Hey y'all, let's make some tie-dye today. As always, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash water for at least 20 minutes and spun out in the washing machine. We're going to find a center point in the shirt by drawing a line from armpit to armpit and then down from the center of the tag. Where the two lines meet is where we're going to start our spiral. Go ahead and get a pinch of the shirt and start a clockwise turning motion to start your spiral. The t-shirt is naturally going to want to bunch up while you do that. So you can release your spiral. You can kind of help the folds along by finger folding the fan as you're spiraling the t-shirt and bring it around so it doesn't bunch up on itself. As you're doing a spiral with a long sleeve t-shirt, you may need to help the sleeves out a little bit and also the bottom half of the t-shirt. You can do that by finger folding or fan folding the t-shirt and then holding your spiral in place. You can help the arms and the bottom of the t-shirt around with your other hand until everything is in place. Once you have your design the way you want it, you need to rubber band it into place to make it secure. Don't be afraid to use too many rubber bands. It's not going to hurt anything. You want to make sure that the center of your spiral is as flat as possible and it doesn't make a well in the middle of the shirt. Now it's time to lay down some dye. On our workstation, we're going to use a few colors today. We're going to start by making a pie piece out of deep yellow on one side of the shirt. Think of this pie piece as abstract. Our next color is going to be robin's egg blue. And we're going to make another semi-pie piece next to that. Next to the robin's egg blue, we're going to use flamingo follie and make another pie piece, a little bit larger than the rest, kind of a slice of pie like I would eat. And we're going to finish up in the extra space with sweet pea. I'm going to overlap those colors a little bit just so they bleed into each other into the design. Next, I'm going to use navy blue on the back of the shirt and do one solid color of navy. Turn the shirt over and do just a squiggle of navy across the top to give it accent. When you store your shirt, store it in an airtight bag. You could throw it into plastic shopping bags. I use a Ziploc bag. Make sure that you store the solid color side of the shirt down so it doesn't bleed into the shirt. And now it's time to rinse out your masterpiece. Throw it into the wash for a few cycles. And there you have it, your beautiful tie-dye. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. I'll talk to you soon.